Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you along with me on a daily vlog. A lot of you have been asking for them, so I thought that I'd try my best to get some done this year in 2019. So this morning I went through my regular morning routine. If you're curious on my routine, you can check out the video that I'll link in the description box. And then I went out to take some photos for a campaign that I have due tomorrow with my mom. She shot the photos for me. So yeah, a lot of you always ask me who takes my photos. Lately it's been my mom a lot, and then used to be my dad, and kind of mix in between. And every so often, if I have someone who's willing to take photos near me, then I will ask them as well. But it's more or less like I would be directing them, just tell them like what kind of photos I'm looking for, what angle to shoot at. I will frame it for them, and I just like really get them to hold the camera and shoot. My mom has been getting so much better, so I love her for helping me out all the time. So right now I'm gonna make some soup. I didn't have a chance to have breakfast this morning because I was just such in a rush, but I went home and my mom gave me some homemade soup. So this soup is a pork broth base, I believe. My mom was telling me how the pork actually ended up being so tender after boiling it and making it into a soup. Normally it gets like really dry and not nice, but apparently it was really good. And it's like some Chinese squash and carrots in there, so I'm really excited for that because like in winter it gets so cold, my body just feels like so cold all the time, especially after shooting outside. So this is gonna be so perfect. All right, so I just changed out of my turtleneck. I actually really like the chains on skin actually. I think I might have to get more V-necks so that I can wear my chains like this. So the soup is ready, very hot, so I'm gonna have to wait for it to cool down just a bit, but I am so excited. Look at all this goodness. Okay, it's finally time to go downtown. It's just getting darker and darker by the minute, so I hope it's like not a storm because I hate driving in rain/freezing rain. So fingers crossed. I just got a notification that my Apple dongle is here, so I can finally listen to music in my car because I have the iPhone XS Max and I don't have the proper dongle to go in there, so I've been listening to the radio, which gets so repetitive. So I'm super excited to have that today. Let's get going. So I made it downtown in pretty much record time, in like 32 minutes. Insane, so great. It is raining, so probably a lot of people don't want to be driving today. I found parking, which is also great. There's a parking lot like right by this clinic. So the place I'm going to is called the One Clinic, and it is right like over here. It's selfie time here at the One Clinic. We are going to take a before shot like right here, and then we're gonna do one after. All right, we are here in the facial room using all these amazing products. It's so cute and pink, guys. I'm falling in love with pink just because of all the cute decor here. Even the blanket's pink. Home from my glow up facial. What do you guys think? Well, clearly my red dots are still here because they don't just go away, but I really love how my skin looks right now. It's like literally glowing. So they said that It was a really mild peel that I did today, so like worst symptom I might get is like a little bit of peeling within the next week, but then after that my skin should be a-okay. So I'm really excited to try it, because if it works nicely then I'll do it a couple times leading up to my wedding, so my skin's like perfect. So the peel that I got was called the Hydrating Glow Up Peel. Super mild one. It's just really great for like brightening your skin, adding like as much hydration to it as you can, just because in the winter with all like the heat, like the indoor heating and then like the wind outside, your skin gets so dry. That's what happens to mine. So like it's really great too to even out your texture, because like sometimes I get dry spots on my cheeks, especially my nose region and then like around my lips too. So it was really great to kind of like remove all that dead skin and then show that healthy layer of skin underneath. So I'm very excited to see how it looks in a couple of weeks, and I'll let you guys know in the next vlog how it went. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I am just gonna catch up on some emails and some responses and cook dinner tonight, so it's nothing really too exciting. I hope that you enjoyed following me along today. Remember to like the video and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram if you'd like. I'd love to see you there, and I'll see you next time.